In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with TikTok. Let's dive right into it. We'll be setting up a simple workflow to connect your TikTok leads with another service using Zapier. Whether you're an experienced Zapier user or completely new to automation, this guide will take you through every step, ensuring you can easily set up and benefit from this integration. First, start by navigating to the Zapier homepage. Zapier allows you to automate repetitive tasks between two or more apps, no code necessary. So once you're on the homepage, look for the option labeled Zap and give it a click. This will get us started on creating a new Zap, which is basically what Zapier calls an automated workflow. Next, once you're in the Zap editor, you'll want to click on Trigger. The trigger is the event that starts your Zap. Since we're working with TikTok, you'll need to enter TikTok into the search bar. The dropdown will show several options, but for this integration, let's go ahead and select TikTok lead generation. This is perfect for capturing new leads by connecting TikTok's form submissions with your designated service. Now it's time to select an event. Click on Choose an Event, and for this scenario, choose New Lead. This means whenever a new lead is generated on TikTok, it will kickstart our Zap. After that, you're going to click on Connect TikTok Lead Generation. Zapier will prompt you to confirm and authorize this connection. You'll be redirected to TikTok to confirm your account details, authorizing Zapier to access needed information. Once that's sorted, hit Confirm to proceed. We're moving right along. Click on Configure to set up the details. You'll see a prompt to choose value. Consider selecting Custom here if there's a specific value you want to map out. This can be especially useful if your form fields have custom information that you'd like to include in your workflow. Now you should type in your TikTok account or choose from the list if it's already been set up. Next, you'll need to select a lead source. Click Choose Value for Lead Source and go with Instant Form, which is the default for lead generation campaigns on TikTok. Continuing, you'll click on Choose Value again, and here choose Custom Value to input any specific form IDs you have. This ensures you're capturing the exact data you want. Finally, it's time to test everything. Click Test and then Test Trigger to make sure that the Zap runs smoothly and identifies leads correctly. This step is crucial to ensure everything is working as expected before going live. And there you have it. You've just set up a Zap that connects TikTok leads to your chosen service using Zapier. Once satisfied, you can now enable your Zap, sit back, and let automation do the rest. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide makes your marketing efforts on TikTok a breeze.